Hello and welcome you all. Today in this video we'll do some more questions based on lines and angles. So our first question for today is, in the given figure, TU parallel to SR and TR parallel to SV, then find the value of angle A and angle B. So according to this figure, students, since TU is parallel to SR and where TR is transversal, so from here we can say that angle UTR plus angle TRS is equal to 180 degree. So from here, angle TRS is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, which is equal to 90 degree. And now angle TRS is equal to angle PRQ. They are equal by vertically opposite angles. Therefore, angle PRQ is equal to 90 degree. And now in triangle PQR, by angle sum property, we can say that 90 degree plus 50 degree plus B is equal to 180 degree. So from here, B is equal to 180 degree minus 90 plus 50 degree, which is equal to 140 degree. So from here, B is equal to 40 degree. And now, according to our question, since TR is parallel to SV, where AT is transversal, so from here, by alternate angles, we can say that angle ATR is equal to angle VAT, and they both are equal to 90 degree. And now, by applying exterior angle property, in which the exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles of a triangle. So from here, angle A is equal to 25 degree plus 90 degree. So 25 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 115 degree. Therefore, student, angle A is equal to 115 degree. And now, our second question for today is, find the value of X, Y, and Z in the given figure. So when we take the triangle BEC and apply angle sum property of a triangle, we can say that Y plus 30 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So from here, Y is equal to 180 degree minus 90 plus 30 degree, which is equal to 120 degree. Therefore, student, Y is equal to 180 minus 120 degree, which is equal to 60 degree. And now, when we consider triangle ADC, and here we apply exterior angle property, in which exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles of a triangle. So from here, X is equal to 50 degree plus 30 degree, which is equal to 80 degree. And now, by linear pair, we can say that angle BEC plus angle BEA is equal to 180 degree. So from here, angle BEA is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, which is equal to 90 degree. And now, again, by exterior angle property, we can say that Z is equal to 50 degree plus 90 degree. So from here, Z is equal to 90 plus 50, which is 140 degree. And now, practice these two questions mentioned on your screen and submit me the solution. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.